Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series, lesson 58b, in which we will practice Rabbana Atina. The ayah actually is starting with وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ يَقُولُ and including this dua with Qari Muhammad Jibril. Let's take a motivational tip first. When you recite the Quran, it is like you are talking to Allah and He is listening to you. As you recite the verses, you interact with them by asking for Allah's forgiveness, protection, mercy, depending upon what is mentioned in those verses. You can enjoy these moments when you understand the Quran and recite it in the best way. So let us be prepared to understand the Quran also in our next course. Let us start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
ومنهم من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
ومنهم من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ومنهم من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.